Hey, y'all, wake up, man. It's Cole, the Barber, aka the Day Trading Barber. Today we had a pretty successful trade. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm gonna try my best to try to show y'all the strategy that I use in order to make these successful day trades. I don't want y'all to think I'm bragging or trying to throw nothing in y'all face. I'm gonna try to actually teach y'all something the best way I can. All right. First, I'm gonna show y'all the trade, then I'm gonna get into the little strategy I use. All right, so we're gonna go to home. We're gonna go to statements and history. And today is January the 12th. So the market buy was 2,000 shares at 8:30 a.m. at 118 per share. All right. So the market sell was 2,000 shares at 124 per share at 8:31 a.m. So that's like $120 in 1 minute. Pretty good trade. All right, so we're gonna put $1 here, $2 here. All right, so I'm gonna make y'all a graph here. All right, so that's our graph. All right, so as you can see, our support line will be somewhere right here. All right, it's called a support line. That's basically what the stock will not go below, right? That's usually the buy-in point for investors, right? So the resistance is basically what the stock won't go above, right? So what I focus on in the beginning is the first 30 minutes of the market, right? So if I see when market open, it goes up to this point right here, and that's maybe 170, all right? Okay, so if I see it goes up to 170, and then it drops back down to the support line, which is somewhere around maybe 130, all right? And then people bought in at 130, all right? So it shoots up to $2. And you want to know why it shot up to $2? Because the resistance was at 170. And right here, all right, it broke that resistance right here. And that's where everyone bought in it, all right? So this is where I will buy in it, and I will ride it all the way up here to this $2. And then I sell out right there, all right? So if I rode that all the way up from 170 to $2, that's 30 cents, right? It's 30 cents per every share that I had, right? So this breakout right here can happen every bit of 2 minutes. That can happen in every bit of 2 minutes, right? So I'll go from 170 to $2, 30 cents per share. I made 30 cents per share in every bit of 2 minutes because I bought in a breakout, right? Let me show you how that worked. So if I had 30 cents per share, say for instance I had 1,000 shares, right? I had 1,000 shares, right? And what is that? $300? So I just made $300 in 2 minutes, all right? All because I bought in a breakout, right? So this breakout is basically when the stock passes its resistance level, and then it's gonna spike up because a lot of investors is gonna buy in right there, all right? You make your quick little money, quick little $300, 30 cents a share, and you sell at $2, and you got out $300 for the day. Carry on with your business. So that's one of the strategies that I use in my day trades. Of course, it's a little more tedious than that. Of course, there's a lot of information you got to obtain as far as picking the company that you're going to trade and all the other stuff like that. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, y'all wake y'all ass up.